Here go 4 versions of Sun Salutation A that you can give a try. A seated version using a chair. So find yourself seated, your feet well planted, your hands might rest on your thighs for a moment. Center yourself, arrive. You tune into your breath. And then make sure that you have some space between your feet and your knees so that when you fold forward, you've got space to drop towards the floor. You could also have a block in front of you or another piece of furniture, another chair that you could fold towards. When you are ready, take an inhale and sweep your arms overhead. On your exhale, left arm down, find a side bend. Inhale, come back through center. Exhale, take that side bend to the right. Inhale, back through center. On your exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Your hands could come to your shins. Think about crown of the head reaching forward. And exhale, fold, dropping the head if that's comfortable. Inhale, rise all the way up. You can sweep your arms overhead. On your exhale, bend your elbows, cactus arms. Inhale, take your elbows back, broaden through your chest. Exhale, elbow to elbow in front of you. On your inhale, reach your arms tall. Exhale, right arm down and side bend. Inhale, back through center. Exhale to the other side. Inhale, center. Exhale, fold forward to your block, to your other chair, towards the floor. Inhale, half lift, lengthen your spine forward. And exhale, fold. Inhale, you can support your spine, hands to your thighs as you rise all the way up. Sweep your arms overhead. And exhale, bend your elbows, cactus arms. Inhale, elbows go back, chest broad. Exhale, elbow to elbow in front of you. On your inhale, reach your arms tall. And as you exhale, release your arms down by your side. This version is a version using the chair, but from a standing position. We're starting mountain pose, facing the seat of the chair, arms relaxed down by the sides, turning the palms forward. Arrive, tune into your breath. And then as you inhale, sweep your arms overhead. On your exhale, right arm down, side bend. Come back through center, breathing in, and take it over to your left. Back through center, inhale, we're folding towards the chair, planting the hands on the seat, dropping the head if that's comfortable. Inhale, straighten your arms as you find a halfway lift or a table pose. On your exhale, maybe hands wrap around the seat of the chair, step your feet back, lengthen into down dog. On your inhale, come onto the balls of the feet and roll out into plank. Shoulders come over wrists. And on the exhale, return to your down dog. Sit bones up and back, heels heavy towards the ground. Inhale, stepping your feet forward, find that halfway lift. And exhale, fold towards the chair or floor. Inhale, rise all the way up. You could sweep your arms overhead. And exhale, bring hands through heart center and down by your side. We'll do one more. Inhale, arms will lift. On your exhale, left arm down, side bend. Back through center, inhale. And take it over to your right, exhale. Center, inhale. And fold towards your chair, exhale. Find a halfway lift, inhale. Exhale and step back into your downward facing dog, extending through your arms. Inhale onto balls of the feet, rolling forward into plank. And exhale, returning to downward facing dog. On your inhale, stepping forward, halfway lift. And as you exhale, folding over the chair or floor. Inhale, rising all the way up, maybe arms sweep overhead. And exhale, bring hands through your heart and down by your side. And this version is a sun salutation version on the floor using a table pose. So we're starting in mountain pose at the top of the mat, feet well planted, shoulders down, crown of the head reaching tall, tuning into the breath. When you're ready, sweep your arms wide and up, inhale. As you exhale, right arm down, side bend. Inhale, come back through center. Take it over to your left, exhale. Inhale, back through center. On your exhale, fold over your legs, bend your knees as much as you'd like. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen your spine forward. And exhale, plant your hands and step your feet into downward facing dog. On your inhale, lift your heels. And as you exhale, lower your knees to the mat, coming into hands and knees or table. As you inhale, cow pose, belly lowers, chest forward, gaze up. And on your exhale, return to downward facing dog, hips up and back. Inhale, make your way to the top of the mat, feet towards your hands, and maybe a combination of hands towards feet. Halfway lift when you get there. And exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way up, arms can sweep overhead. And exhale, hands through heart and down by your side. We'll do one more. Inhale, arms will lift. Exhale, left arm down, side bend. Back through center, inhale. And over to your right, exhale. Back through center, inhale. Folding over the legs, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. And step back, downward facing dog, exhale. Inhale, lift your heels. Exhale, slow and control, lower the knees. Table, all fours. Inhale into cow. And exhale, return to downward facing dog. Inhale, make your way to the top of the mat. Exhale and fold. Inhale, rising up. And exhale, hands through heart and back in mountain pose. The next version is a version of sun salutation A, but this time using plank pose. We'll meet in mountain pose, shoulders down, palms forward. Notice some broadness through your chest and some length through your spine. Tune into your breath. And as you inhale, sweep your arms wide and up. On your exhale, right arm down, side bend. Come back through center, inhale, and take it over to your left, exhale. Back through center, inhale, fold forward, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale, and step back into plank pose, exhale. Take a breath in at the top, and on your exhale, lower your knees to the mat, and then bend your elbows and lower belly and chest. Inhale into cobra, tops of the feet press down, and exhale, move through all fours and back into downward facing dog. Inhale, make your way to the top of the mat, and exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale, mountain pose. One more time. Inhale, arms lift. Exhale, left arm down, side bend. Back through center, inhale, and over to your right. Back through center, inhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands, step your feet back, find your plank. Take a breath in at the top. On your exhale, knees down or not, we're coming all the way to the mat. Inhale to find cobra. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, making your way to the top of the mat. And exhale, folding. Inhale all the way to the top. And exhale, hands through heart and down by your side. Last version. Inhale, arms lift. Exhale, right arm down, side bend. Back through center, inhale. over to your left. Back through center, inhale, fold, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. Step it back, plank pose, exhale. Take a breath in. Knees lifted or down, exhale, lower halfway. Inhale, come into upward facing dog. And exhale, take it to downward facing dog. Inhale, make your way to the top of the mat. And exhale, fold. Inhale all the way up. And exhale, heart center, mountain pose.